Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to disable autoplay previews on Netflix. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device. Tap on the My Netflix option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the My Netflix section, you will see your current Netflix profile icon. Tap on it. Tap on the Manage Profiles option from the bottom of your screen. Now select your Netflix profile. In the profile settings, you will see the autoplay previews option. To disable it, tap on the toggle switch right next to the autoplay previews option and turn it off. And that's it. This is how you can disable autoplay previews on Netflix. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.